Repco's 1200 amp jump starter is a portable power source suitable for up to 8-cylinder petrol vehicles and up to 5-litre diesel vehicles. This powerful jump starter is fitted with a 12-volt, 22 amp hour AGM sealed battery. Its smart charging system allows you to leave it on charge indefinitely without the worry of overcharging the battery. The low voltage warning system activates automatically when the battery drops below 50% of its total capacity, indicating charging is required. Plus, additional protection is provided from the reverse polarity alarm, which will alert you if you've connected the clamps incorrectly. The Repco 1200 amp jump starter also features fully insulated professional grade clamps, 90 centimeter copper jumper leads, an LED battery level display, a 12-volt DC and 5-volt 2.4 amp power sockets which can be used for powering a variety of appliances, and a bright SMD LED work light for roadside vehicle repairs. Its compact design and flexibility of use make it ideal for travel, home and workshop use.